Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today the date is 7th September 2020 and the day is Monday. We are in the chemistry class 10th. We have started chapter number 12 which was about hydrocarbons. In the last lecture we discussed the preparation and chemical reactivities of alkanes. Now we are going to discuss alkynes. Open page number 91 of your textbook. Alkynes. The simplest alkyne is acetylene with molecular formula C2H2. Alkynes are also called acetylene because of the name of the first member of the series acetylene. Highlight करें. Molecular condensed structure and dot and cross formula of few alkynes are given in table 12.2. ठीक है, टेबल 12.2 में यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं कुछ फार्मूलाज दिए गए हैं, आपने इनको स्टडी करना है, इनको देखना है आपने। हमने लास्ट टाइम भी डिस्कस किया था जो हमारे अल्काइंस हैं इनका जनरल फार्मूला होता है CnH2n, तो उसी फार्मूला के अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ पर ये कुछ दिए गए हैं। ठीक है, इनको आप लोगों ने इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लेनी है। अकरेंस एसिटाइलिन डज नॉट अकर इन फ्री इन नेचर. ट्रेसेस ऑफ एसिटाइलिन आर प्रेजेंट इन कोल गैस अबाउट 0.06%. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को। Next we have the preparation of alkynes. Alkynes are prepared by following method: dehydrohalogenation or vicinal dihalide. ठीक है, when we have two halogens adjacent attached on the carbon, two carbon, it is known as vicinal dihalide. When a vicinal dihalide is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, two hydrogen atoms along with two halogen atoms are removed from the adjacent carbon atoms with the formation of a triple bond between the adjacent carbon atom. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपके पास एक विसिनल डाइहाइलाइड दिया गया है, दो क्लोरीन इसके साथ अटैच है, हेलोजन अटैच है। जब इसको हम लोग पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करवाते हैं तो दो क्लोरीन रिमूव हो जाते हैं और हमारे साथ दो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होंगे, दो क्लोरीन रिमूव होंगे और ये हमारा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बना देगा। ठीक है, दो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होंगे, दो क्लोरीन रिमूव होंगे एंड इट विल फॉर्म अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. Dehalogenation of tetrahalides. When alkyl tetrahalides are heated with zinc dust, the elimination of halogen atom takes place to form ethyne. Zinc 4 क्लोरीन लगी हुई है, चारों क्लोरीन जब रिमूव हो जाएंगी तो इट विल फॉर्म ए इथाइन. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. alkynes are also form a series of compound. Its first member is acetylene. It is colorless gas with faint garlic odor. Highlight करें इस पॉइंट को. Acetylene is slightly soluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as benzene, alcohol, acetone, ether, etc. Acetylene is slightly lighter than air. Alkynes are also flammable. They produce smokier flames than those of alkanes and alkenes. हाईलाइट करें, इनका जो फ्लेम होता है ये स्मोकियर होता है. केमिकल रिएक्शन. alkynes are reactive compounds because of presence of a triple bond. A triple bond consists of two weak bonds which is also known as pi bond and a strong bond. The strong bond is known as a sigma bond. When alkynes react with other substances, two weak bonds are readily broken one by one and addition takes place easily. The addition reaction of alkynes resemble to those of alkenes. Highlight करें. Addition of halogen, chlorine and bromine add to acetylene to form a tetrachloroethane and tetrachloromethane respectively. When bromine water is added to acetylene, red brown color of bromine water is discharged rapidly due to formation of colorless tetrachloromethane. ब्रोमोमीथेन. ठीक है, इसके अंदर हम लोग ब्रोमीन ऐड करवाएंगे तो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4 करनी है तो इसलिए दो तो हमारे साथ ब्रोमीन आके इसके साथ अटैच हो जाएंगे एंड इट विल फॉर्म अ टेट्राब्रोमोमीथेन. दिस रिएक्शन इज यूज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई द अनसैचुरेशन ऑफ अल्काइंस. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को. Oxidation with KMnO4. Ethine is oxidized by alkaline KMnO4 and 4-hydroxyl group add to the triple bond, such as given in this reaction. You can see that the triple bond के अंदर 8 water molecules हैं, 4 KMnO4 है. It is an oxidation reaction because it is an oxidizing agent. तो ये हमारे पास 4 हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप कार्बन के ऊपर आकर अटैच हो जाएंगे और ये मैग्नीज आयन पर मैग्नीज हमें साथ में देंगे. This intermediate product eliminates water molecule to form glyoxal, which is further oxidized to form oxalic acid. Clear? You have to do the practice of this reaction. It is an important reaction. Uses of acetylene. Acetylene produces oxyacetylene flame with oxygen. It is a highly exothermic reaction. Heat released is used for welding purpose. Point number 2. Acetylene is used to prepare other chemicals such as alcohol, acetaldehyde and acids. It is used for the ripening of fruit. Ethene gas was also used for the ripening of the fruit. It is used for manufacturing of polymer products like polyvinyl chloride, polyvinyl acetate and synthetic rubber like neoprene. It is polymerized to form benzene, which is used as raw material to form a variety of organic compounds. Next we have test yourself. 12.4. Why the alkynes are called acetylene. How a tetrabromethane prepared from acetylene. How can you prepare acetylene from tetrachloroethane? What is the difference between glycol and glyoxal? Write the formula of oxalic acid. All the answers are given in the topic. You can write the answer from the topic. Hydrocarbons as fuel. The main constituents of fuel, coal, petroleum and natural gas are hydrocarbons. When hydrocarbons are burnt in air, the reaction is called combustion. It is highly exothermic reaction. It produces a lot of heat. The basic combustion reaction is methane burn in the presence of oxygen produce carbon dioxide, water and heat. The heat energy thus produced is used to meet need of energy in homes, transportation as well as in industries. Next we have hydrocarbon as feedstock in industry, petrochemical industry, plastic industry, rubber industry, synthetic fiber industry and synthetic detergents. These are the simplest point. आप इनको दफ़ा पढ़ लीजिएगा, ठीक है. अगर इनमें से कोई भी पॉइंट आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा उसको हाईलाइट कर लें और पूछ लें मुझसे. It was our overall today's lecture. The chapter is completed. In the next lecture we will start exercise and short questions. Hopefully you have the understanding of the lecture. If you find any difficulty you can highlight the point and can ask queries. Thank you.